Bought, sold, or traded cryptocurrency this year and not sure how to report it? If the tax rules for crypto feel confusing, you're not alone. Today, we're simply reporting cryptocurrency transactions in TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The IRS treats cryptocurrency as property, not currency. This means every sale, trade, or spend is a taxable event that may generate a capital gain or loss. The starting point, the crypto question. Early in the interview, TurboTax will ask if you sold, received, or traded cryptocurrency. You must answer, yes. This ensures the software guides you to the right forms and asks the right questions. The process, import or enter. If you used a major exchange like Coinbase, you can often import your transactions directly. Otherwise, you'll need to enter a summary of your transactions from Form 1099-B or your own calculations. TurboTax will help you calculate your total gain or loss. And that leads to my crucial pro tip, gather your transaction history first. Before you start, download all your transaction reports from every exchange and wallet you used. Having a complete record is essential for accurate reporting. Trying to do it from memory is a recipe for errors and potential underreporting. So, just like that, you're equipped to report your crypto activity correctly. Proper reporting goes a long way in avoiding IRS notices and staying compliant. Now I'm curious, do you use a specific crypto tax software to calculate your gains, or do you rely on exchange reports? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.